Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel using Canva. So head over to canva.com and log into your account. Go to the templates tab and type in Instagram carousel or Instagram post. You can use Canva's preset size, but if you want a perfect, seamless layout, remember, a seamless carousel is basically one long horizontal design that gets sliced into multiple square pages. So if you want a 5-slide carousel, each slide being 1080 by 1080, your custom size would be something like a width of 1080 times 5 and a height of 1080. But Canva's templates also work great if you want something fast. Once you search for Instagram carousel on the templates tab, Canva will now show you tons of ready-made layouts. So pick any style that you like. For example, a 5-page slide, a 4-page slide, or a 10-page slide. Let's say I want to use this one. Click on Customize this template. And we can now customize the template inside the editor. The first thing that we can do, let's say, choose any colored element. For example, this text. Choose a new color from the top menu. And then click Change All. Canva will then update the entire design with your new palette, except for this one. You can do the same for shapes, backgrounds, and accents to get consistent theme. Then, select on any text box. So you can change the font and replace the default text with your own content like my drinking hours. So keep everything short and easy to read. If you want to insert images, go to the element or click Upload. On the Elements tab, you can search for characters, photos, or illustration. For example, wine. Click on Graphics. And let's say we want to add this one. Resize it. And position it inside your slide to match the design. There we go. Additionally, if you want animated slides, just search for videos inside Canva. This part is important. If you want your slides to contain a video, export your carousel as a GIF, or the animation won't play on Instagram. So if you're using videos, export it as a GIF on the downloads and click GIF. Finally, if you click on pages, you can drag the pages to reorder them. You can organize the flow however you want. Then double check the alignment so graphics overlap cleanly across the slides, and it will create that seamless connected look. Lastly, when you're done, go ahead and download the file by clicking Share, go to Download. For static carousels, pick PNG. For animated elements, pick GIF. Then don't forget to select all pages. Click on Download, and you're ready to upload your seamless carousel to Instagram. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.